All right, guys, just got in the new Mac Mini with the M1 chip. It's the brand new chip from Apple, and I'm really excited because I've been editing some videos and creating content on this MacBook Air, as well as running Zoom interviews, Zoom calls for my daily team meetings on the wholesale team, and really just trying to run a lot of things off this poor little MacBook Air. It is a new MacBook Air, but I've got currently plugged into it the 1080 Logitech webcam. I've got a Yeti mic plugged into it and a light, like a light ring for it, and as well as two different screens to supplement the internal display. So I'm really excited to get this new Mac Mini because I think it's really going to add to the quality of the video editing and speed up the process, as well as just reduce some of those crazy ass sounds from the fan. The fan is really aggressive on the MacBook Air if you're doing some heavy editing or otherwise even just running Zoom with a lot of people. A lot of our talks might have 200 participants at one time inside the Zoom stream. And then when you're sharing your screen and trying to manage all those people on the live stream, it really has a hard time dealing with it. So I'm going to unbox this new Mac now, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. I always love Mac's products for this because they're so beautifully packaged, and I'm really excited for this one. Okay, here we go. Exciting. The Mac Mini. All right, we got a nice little cellophane thing here. Book.